Yeah, so welcome back again. Here I am giving you some very important information regarding the API stuff. So initial credit, whenever you create the account, you will get $5 as a credit for using the API integrations and all and trying the playground and everything. So you can have the account as an organization or as a personal account. I have a personal account basically, and if I create organization account, I can invite or add other people also. So initially, whenever you create the account, your role will be owner of that organization or personal account. You can add or invite other members if you create organization account. So this is the initial stuff, initial credit and information about the ChatGPT. After that, there are some key concepts which I already told you to understand. These are different key concepts, but you must understand what are those concepts. So first concept is prompts. This is very important. Prompts are nothing but instructions which we send to ChatGPT server and the response. Okay, it includes your query. Query means whatever you write and whatever you seek information regarding. So that is the query, you can say. That is the prompt. And it's very important. Writing good prompt is an art for ChatGPT. You need to learn and utilize your brain to get correct results using the correctly written prompts. So it also includes system and assistant messages. Like I will show you one example. I have created one video also on this, where I am sending system messages, assistant messages, and user query. So all those forms a prompt actually. So whenever it calculates it as a token, it will not only calculate token as whatever response it has received, but including everything, whatever request you are sending, how many words, characters you are sending, and response also.